Next I'm going to install my grip. I went with the Magpul Grip. I wish they wouldn't have put the tag over it. But anyways, with the CMG, it comes with a grip that's really plasticky and crappy, and it's just got like a one finger groove, which I really didn't like. And I do like the Magpul grips, and they're kind of a hard rubber, and on front and back it's got little grips, and it seems to do the trick. Anyways, I like the way it feels in the hand, so that's what I went with. First thing we need to do is put in the safety switch, which, okay, put in the safety switch, then we drop the pin. It comes with a pin. You got to make sure, I don't know if you can really pick this up, but there's like a little point on it, and you got to put the little point obviously facing down, and then we do the spring inside the grip. Perfectamundo. And then, let me see. Put the screw. Make sure it's cranked on there right. And just it's on safe. It's on fire. Seems to be working. It's got a little bottom. You can throw stuff in. I don't know how useful that really is. Comes straight in and straight out. Anyways, that's the Magpul Grip. That's the AR build so far, and it's coming along. I kind of like the grip. Pretty happy with Magpul. Maybe I'll go with Magpul quad rails. I don't know. We'll see. Pretty happy with that grip though. I think it looks nice compared to the other one. The other one really looked chintzy. So this looks kind of nice. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Take care, people. Bye.